Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can track your orders on WooCommerce using the order tracking for WooCommerce app. So let's get right into it. The reason I'm using this official app page is because I do not have the funds to get the necessary subscription to use WooCommerce, so I'm kind of tied when it comes to that, and I have to use this here app. Or this here app page. Now, you just need to buy it. It is a $4 monthly subscription, or $3 if you get it on sale, and you can use it once you buy it and just install it and activate it within WordPress. Now, once you install it, you'll be able to get the shipment tracking info, and the way you do that is you can go to shipment tracking, and you just need to use the extension. You can select the carrier and add tracking information from the order detail pages, and then once the tracking code along with the tracking links is available to you, you can just use it on your account page, and that is pretty much it. You can also share tracking info via emails. You just go to the My Account page, and you can choose to notify customers via email notifications if they so choose. You can also share the details on the My Account page. Just display it on the order listing pages under My Account to notify customers about the shipment status of their orders. And you can also import shipment tracking codes in bulk from the CSV files you might have. And you can also track the status of your orders, which is also a functionality of this app. Just go to the order details pages, and you'll see the order details of all your orders, and you'll see the current step in the process they are currently at. Now, again, I am sorry I can show you guys how to do this with my own program, but it is what it is. I just can't afford the subscription, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.